This is Ahsan from Do It in 10, and today I'm going to show you how to create a free website totally from scratch within 10 minutes. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to open up my Google Chrome and write wix.com. Click on Get Started button. Now I'm going to log in with my existing Google account. Once the dashboard opens up, you have to click on the Create New Site button. Now what Wix is going to do, it's going to ask me a list of questions to know about my priorities for the website. Let's say we are going to make a website for our barbershop business. We have to click on the Beauty and Wellness button here. Start now. This is where you look for your business type. I'm gonna look for barbershop here, but if you can't find your exact business, you can always go for the closest option. This is where you look. This is where you select what kind of pages or options you want to include on your website. I want to include a pricing plan page and a subscription form as well, but you can always add more pages later on or delete these ones. This is where you write your website or business name. I'm going to write Do It in 10. Click on next. Now I don't have an existing address on Google or an existing website, so I'm gonna skip it for now. For the logo, I'm gonna select my own logo here. All you have to do is click on the plus button and select your picture. For the address, I'm gonna write Pakistan. Just gonna write a random number right here. Now for the social media accounts, all you have to do is go to your Facebook or LinkedIn or Instagram, copy this link right here and paste it here. What Wix will do is automatically connect your website with those accounts. What kind of websites do I like? I like clean websites. I'm gonna skip the color palette for now. Now, what's going on here is Wix is giving me 3 random samples to choose from, but if you don't like any of these, you can always skip. I like this one, so I'm gonna go ahead with this one. And there you go. Here's the template for our website. Now all you have to do is remember 2 things. On every website there are different pages, and on every page there are individual sections that you have to edit. If you click here, this is the list of pages we have created. There's a page for home and there's a pricing page as we selected. If you click on any page, Wix will take you there where you'll be able to make adjustments. If you want to add a new page, just click on Add Page. Select what kind of page you want. Let's say we want to add a contact page. You have to select a design for your contact form or whichever design you are adding. And there you have it. It's simple as that. Your contact page is created within 3 seconds. Now I'm going to show you how to edit individual sections. Let's just go back to our home page first. As you can see here, Wix has divided the whole website into different sections. Here's the header section, a section for our products. There's a section for our services, which is still loading. Here's the gallery section. Now, there are 2 main things which you need to remember. If you don't like the design of any individual section, you have to click on the design button right here. I'm going to do it for the header section. And then Wix will give you a list of designs for the individual sections. You have to choose the one you like. I'm gonna go with this one actually. It's simple as that. The design is changed. Now the second thing you can do is edit the information on that finalized design. Just click on the edit button and it will pop up a sidebar. I'm gonna update the menu. I also want the phone number to appear in my header, so I'm just gonna click on it. And just like that, the the information is edited. Now it works in the same manner for all the sections. You have to click on the design button, change the design, and then update the like information. I'm gonna do it for this section as well. In the design menu, I'm gonna select this one right here, and the design is changed. Now there's one more thing you need to remember actually. For some sections, instead of editing button, there's manage button, but mainly for services and products. But it works in the same way. You have to change the picture, products, and like all the information you want to change for those products and services. It's quite straightforward. Now, if you want to see how this website will look like on your mobile phone, you can go here and click on mobile, and Wix will give you a preview of your mobile version. Just give it some time to load. Here it is. Now you can also edit like how this information will look like. Once I'm done, I'm gonna click on preview button. Now this is the final preview of how my website is going to look to other people. Here's the mobile version. I'm gonna switch to desktop version. I haven't made a lot of changes here, but you can always do whatever you like. It's really simple. I'm gonna publish my website. For the address, I'm gonna write do it in 10. This is what your website address is going to be, because we are creating a free website, but you can also get a custom domain, but you have to pay for it, or you can link your existing one. Well, once the website has been published, it's ready to go live, it's ready to be shared with people. I tried to cover all the basic stuff today. You can get up and running within 10 minutes and open up your site on your mobile or phone, wherever you like. Now, if you like this video, comment below, subscribe to our channel, keep in touch, and see you in next video.